Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get this stunning countdown text effect for your Instagram stories. So, Instagram has launched its new feature on Instagram Story where you can add these text effect. So, if you want to create a stunning text effect for your Instagram Story that will wow your audience, you can just follow my steps in here. You can design an eye-catching countdown text effects for your Insta Stories. So, the first one that you need to do is just make sure that you already have the latest versions of Instagram application. If you haven't, you can check it on the Play Store or App Store. You can search for Instagram and make sure that you've already updated the app. After that, after you have the latest version, you can just launch the Instagram application. And now I'm going to just click on this plus icon to open the Instagram story camera. Now you can just use any photo or videos that you want for your New Year Instagram stories. For example, in here, I'm going to use this one. You can write the captions for the text first. You can click on this AI tool, text tool at the top, and then just write the text. For example, I'm going to just write Happy New Year. Then I'm going to change the phone. This is also new, this New Year phone. And I'm going to change or add this pop text effect. You can adjust the size and change the color to how you like it. Okay. Now to add the countdown text effect, I'm going to write, for example, I'm going to just 12 days and 3 hours. And let's say the seconds, I'm going to minutes, I'm going to just write it like this. You can change the phone to how you like it. And for the text effect, you can click on this icon at the bottom, and that will be this countdown options. You can change the phone to how you like it. I'm going to just go with the New Year, and this is the countdown. And you can also change the color if you want to. Let's go with yellow also. And you can adjust the size and put the position to how you like it. So this is the countdown text effect. And that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.